Hello, everyone. My name is Moi, and I'm here to present Maddie Labs. So Maddie Labs has a set of very customizable templates to help different workflows in financial services. And we designed custom templates for different job profiles. Now, I'm here to give a demo. So currently, we have job profiles in investment management and private equity. And we can also create templates for other job profiles as well. So today, to give you an example, I'm going to show you the stock screening example. To showcase the power of AI, this stock screener has the ability to go through earnings calls and company filings very fast. We can go through thousands in less than a minute. So to pick something topical for this conference, we can do a screen to look for whenever public companies discuss embedded finance initiatives. Then we can look for the mega cap and large cap companies. I'm going to do in the United States. And then here we can select the sectors. So I'll select a few with financial services, communication, and technology. So this is just to describe this a little bit more. So just mentions and then you can choose the filings. We'll look in the past 1 year. This is a summary of the submission. And then once we submit, our AI is screening for this data. And as you can see, the results start streaming on the screen. And the ones that says yes are companies that have announced initiatives in embedded finance in the past year. And it's actually going through thousands of calls right now. So we can keep sorting by this to get more and more companies. And if you're interested in asking some questions, like doing a screen yourself, you should come to our booth. We've done some very interesting screens. For example, you can look for layoffs, announcements, tariffs, AI initiatives in financial services. You should come to our booth for many reasons. So first is to create a screen yourself for whatever it is that you're wondering about. And secondly, if you have workflows that you think can be streamlined with AI, we would be happy to talk to you about them. And thirdly, if you are a venture investor and would like to discuss fundraising, we would also be happy to talk to you. We have many different workflows in addition to this one that we would be happy to show you, including workflows for private equity. Yeah, so hope to see you at our booth.